Hi, everyone, and welcome to the Law Lounge with Silva, your favorite criminal defense attorney here based in Los Angeles. And for you guys who know me, I actually represent children and adults who have been arrested in both state crimes and federal crimes. And I want to talk about a biggie now, and that is P. Diddy and what he is accused of and how this might end not only his career but his freedom. I read the whole indictment from the federal government and something struck me. Number one is how complete it is. Number two, the fact of the matter is when the federal government is involved and they go to trial, they win over 95% of their trials. They don't frivolously file anything. When they do it with full force, knowing that they could win their case. In P. Diddy's case, the allegations are incredibly hard. The fact of the matter is the government is alleging him of actually using his company to illegally fund these freak-off parties where he was supplying unlimited amounts of drugs, unlimited amount of sex workers from all over the country to actually keep his parties going. And what's interesting about it is a lot of people are saying, well, there could be a consent defense. There's a big problem with the consent defense when there's drug involved. And the issues are once someone is under the influence of a narcotic or even alcohol, consent isn't automatically assumed. The fact of the matter is being under the influence or forced to take these drugs or even being given these drugs can actually negate someone's consent. So from my reading of it, the government's arguments are incredibly strong. It's going to be something very difficult for P. Diddy to fight or any of his attorneys. And that's also seen by the fact that he's remaining in custody and is not even allowed to be out to fight these charges. I have to say, I think the era of P. Diddy may be over and he may be spending decades in a federal prison. So I want to hear your opinions. What do you think? And for those victims out there, this is just another example of unlimited power, unlimited money, and the hurt that that can cause when people protect him, and they've been protecting him for a very long time. All right, you guys, take care. Another edition of the Law Lounge.